Hello, everyone, and welcome to the webinar. I hope you're in the right place, the essential athlete. And if you're not, just hang out anyway because the education is free and fun and amazing. So I am going to make my screen smaller so you can see the slides because they are infinitely more interesting than me. So again, this is the Essential Athlete, and I am Jasmine Bryant. I'm a certified holistic health coach. I am an Amazon best-selling author, a global essential oils educator, and really all that means is that my super cool job is to travel around the world showing people how to be healthier and happier through personal coaching and essential oils. In 2017, I left my very successful career as a journalist with a major international TV news network to be a full-time entrepreneur. I moved from the US to Paris, France, to really complete that transformation. Now, I became a health coach after losing nearly 100 pounds. I went from being a 300-pound couch potato who lived on cheesesteaks and french fries to an athlete. I skated in a roller derby recreation league. I boxed 8 to 10 hours a week, and I even trained for a triathlon, even though I couldn't swim at the time. I still am not the strongest swimmer, but I'm getting there. But I have to say that living in Paris has kind of made me backslide a little bit. But thankfully, I have my doTERRA essential oils, which are really helping me to, well, return to me. So I want to share with you what you are going to learn in this webinar. Are you ready? You're going to learn what essential oils are and why we need them. You're going to learn about doTERRA essential oils as a company, hear from some pro athletes about their oils usage, and how you can transform your own athletic life using these amazing products. Excuse me. And so many athletes, they are turning to essential oils because they're looking for an edge, right? But they're sometimes looking for a magic pill. Now, essential oils are not a magic pill, but they will help to support us. So first, what are essential oils? Essential oils are these naturally occurring aromatic compounds of plants. And that's just kind of a sciencey way of saying that these are basically the immune systems of plants. They help with physical and mental health as well as smell good. They are natural solutions to many problems that we all have, meaning we can fix an issue without toxic chemicals. That's super important, I think. Now, doTERRA is the world's largest essential oils distributor. And what's really great about that is doTERRA grows all of its plants where they should be grown by people who have been doing this for generations. doTERRA oils are the purest you can get and the most tested in the industry. There are no pesticides or fillers in our oils ever. Now, you may see essential oils everywhere these days, thanks to doTERRA, but you will never see its quality. 95% of doTERRA's essential oils come from exclusive contracts with its global network of farmers. So you can rest assured that whatever you get in your bottle is exactly what we say it's going to be. Now, athletes, both at the collegiate and professional level, are using doTERRA essential oils. In fact, several NCAA Division I athletic programs in the US are using doTERRA in their training facilities. And you may have seen a few team doctors passing around doTERRA peppermint oil during NHL hockey games. And student athletes are using the oils to help with some of the stresses of balancing student responsibilities and their sports demands. Because as you know, student athletes they have a lot of pressure on them. And lavender and Roman chamomile are two of the top stress relieving essential oils. So here are some of the benefits. for using essential oils in sports. They can promote a healthy respiratory function and clear breathing. They can help with immune support. They can boost your energy and your focus. They can reduce muscle and joint discomfort, and they can promote digestive health. And I'm pretty sure you can agree these are very important things when you are using essential oils or when you're being athletic and sporty. So hold on, let me advance my slide. So I want to share with you some of the pro athletes who use doTERRA essential oils. We're going to hear from an NFL running back. We're going to hear from a surfer, a pro surfer, a surfing champion, and also an Olympic athlete. So let me play this video and hope that technology doesn't screw me over. Hold on one second, guys. Technology and I are not always friends.
I didn't really understand the importance of a holistic lifestyle, of taking care of my body. I always train hard, and man, I gotta give Miss Hightower, Rukia Hightower, my wife, I have to give her all the credit for that. She really started introducing me to a different approach, to introducing me to essential oils, calming down and just relaxing, and then rubs. I mean, that deep blue that's my best friend. It's been a really cool discovery of different ways that we can go about taking care of our body and just living in general.
I mean, for me to get ready to go surf giant waves, like preparation starts, it's nearly constant preparation, and that's what I love about the oils, because the oils are a huge part of my preparation and going to surf big waves, like whether it's the vitamins the morning of, or having those oils to take in the morning, jumping on the plane, having the Serenity capsules to sleep.
I remember my grandma, she didn't use a lot of, pure medication. A lot of the things that she used herbs. So I really grew up with, natural things, with organic stuff and things that, the nature actually provides. So doTERRA it's a great example for, the things that I used to use through my grandma. So the fact that, I can have them in little bottles to take them everywhere I go is a huge blessing. So I use doTERRA for everything. Our family uses it a lot to go to sleep, to recover. I love the deep blue, obviously, to get rid of soreness, but also just get fired up for competition. It actually helps me to get fired up before my races. I love to put peppermint definitely in my helmet just to be able to focus and be alert as I'm sliding head first. So I use doTERRA for everything. I love the OnGuard, is what I brush my teeth with every morning. So I'm all about doTERRA, and I'm grateful that there's a company out there that actually can make these things in a safe way so that people like myself and my family can use it.
Okay. So hopefully you guys liked that video. Let me take myself off again and put the slides back up. So hopefully you learned just a little bit about how and why these pro athletes who are at the tops of their field are using doTERRA essential oils for their workouts and for their athletic performance. So here are some pro tips. Are you guys ready for pro tips? So use the oils before and after working out. Also during, I use deep blue rub on my back and my knees when I'm skating. Runners can benefit from using peppermint or breathe when they apply it to their chest or to the bottoms of their feet before they exercise or before an event. It really helps to open up your airways. And as you know, when you're running, you really need to be able to breathe well, and that's only going to help your endurance. Post-workouts should include drinking lemon water, so 4 drops of lemon oil to 16 ounces of water, always in glass, stainless steel, or ceramic, never ever plastic. And for post-workout, for muscle tension, you definitely want to have Siberian fir, wintergreen, frankincense, lemongrass, marjoram, and deep blue rub in your arsenal. When I am way too sore from working out, marjoram and deep blue rub and wintergreen are my besties. And for improved confidence, use Balance Blend, because sometimes you just need a little extra something to get out there, whether it's on the track, on the field, or wherever. I love using Motivate before I get on the derby track because sometimes my head gets in my way. So those are really good things to keep your eye on. So if you don't have any questions, I will show you how you can get this stuff in your home because they're amazeballs. So you can become a wholesale customer with doTERRA, and there's a $35 fee to get started. This gives you wholesale prices all year like Sam's Club or Costco. You'll get unlimited support from me as well as my global team, and I've got team members pretty much everywhere, the US, Canada, Central America, and all over Europe. And you're also going to get continuing education, in-person education, Facebook education, email education, whatever it looks like for you, whatever you need, however you learn, that's how you're going to get this education so that you can always use your oils safely and you always know exactly what to do when you need your oils. So here, one of the kits that I recommend for athletes, this is the athlete's kit. And it comes with a deep blue rub, and it comes with this really nice little carrying case so that you can take, just throw them in your gym bag. And these are all 5 ml bottles, so they're smaller bottles, but these are oils that are going to help with immune support, help with focus and energy. And so these are, and also muscle aches and pains. So these are oils that you really need if you are serious about your athletic performance, or really even just going to the gym every day or every other day, however often you go, to help you to be your best. And there's also this athlete's care kit, which is amazing for recovery, and also just to get you motivated to get out there and to do it, because sometimes you just need that little push, especially if you're just working out for you and you're not training for anything, then sometimes you need that extra little push. And so like this Mito 2 Max Energy and Stamina Complex is amazing. It will give you so much energy without the coffee jitters. So we love that. And then you have a deep blue oil blend that I keep in my skate bag quite often just to roll on my knees when they're feeling a little sore because I'm old. So if you have any questions and you are too shy to ask them in the chat, then add yourself to my calendar and then we can talk. You will have links through this webinar, so you can add yourself to my calendar. There are also links so that you can purchase the athlete's kit or purchase the athlete's care kit. And these are also really great additions to any of the heavily discounted pre-made starter kits. And hold on, these are great additions to any of those pre-made starter kits. And when you get one of those pre-made starter kits, not only are they heavily discounted, but you will also save on the wholesale customer costs. So you get to become a wholesale customer without actually paying for it. And that's really great too, because we love to get things at a discount, or at least I do. Can't speak for the rest of the world. So anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you had a really great webinar. I hope you learned a lot, and ask me questions. I am here for you anytime. Have a great day, and happy working out.